Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla. Alright, my people, Dancehall skilla there again. Yeah, big up and respect each and every one. I hope that everyone is okay and alright. You see it? Yeah, big up. Alright. Anyone can make a mistake. Anyone can make mistakes. In my point of view, I do not think anyone is perfect. You see what I say? Yeah, and if you're someone who have a job where you deal with the public, I think that you should be careful how you approach and deal with people. Now, I have a video that I'm going to present to you, and this video will be recorded somewhere within the United States of America. I do not know when the video will be recorded. This video shows some of the things that happened when police from within the United States of America pulled over a female who was driving a motor vehicle and accused her of not having a front license plate on the motor vehicle. You might be surprised to see and hear the result of the situation. And the female was not the only person who was in the motor vehicle when the video be recorded. See it? Now I'm going to present the video to you, and you can also let me know what you think about some of the things that have been shown and said in this video. And please bear in mind that this video is just piece of an entire video that have been posted on social media. Alright, here's the video. Take a look, listen, observe, and tell me what you think about this video.
I do.
I need to see that as well.
Fuck out of here. Officer dickhead. Captain harassing me. You best believe this ain't over. Can you back up? I fear for my life.
Absolutely not.
I fear for my life.
Well, you don't have to.
You keep moving and you look like you're trying to shoot me.
I keep moving.
I need you to back up. You put gloves on for what? For what? Why you put gloves on? And your camera's not on.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not. There's no green light.
There's a red light on top.
That's not your light.
Yeah, 2 check. 1 2 check. It's impacted harder versus tornado.
They're just trying to see. This is what they do. They pull you over for no reason. They make up something. They pull you over to see who you are, to identify you, to harass you. This is what happens when you drive while black. This is what happens when you in a car with your child and you don't know your rights. But I know my rights. And I know there was no crime committed. So they just committed kidnapping. They just kidnapped me and my son because they pulled me over. No crime was committed. And he tried to intimidate me by saying he gonna take me to jail because I know my rights. And he's mad because I'm not finna let him talk to me any kind of way. And I'm not finna let him intimidate me. You're gonna be famous, buddy.
Okay.
Real famous. Go live. Make sure you live on one of them. Man. You mad because I got a nice car?
I actually do like the car.
You mad because my son had a hood on? You just wanted to see who was in the car? He's a child. He's a child. Why did you ride the side of me like you did? Why did you wait for me to get in front of you so you could get behind me?
I wasn't driving.
You a dickhead, bruh. That's why. You an asshole. That's why. Do your wife know you do this to people? Do your kids know this is what y'all do? Did you just say he said his kids and his wife know that he drives around harassing people of color? Profiling them. That's amazing. That's fucking amazing. Do your mom know you do this?
That I'm a police officer?
No, that you harass people of color.
I'm not harassing you.
Do you? He's harassing me. He just pulled me over for no reason. And now his buddy is taking forever. They just called back up. When I asked him to call his supervisor, he didn't want to do that. Now he just called back up.
Now that you're calm?
I've been
now
calm.
That we have your ID?
I've been calm.
I'd be more than
That's all he wanted. He wanted to intimidate me to show that he can get me to give him my ID. Now that is a form of kidnapping. That's a false arrest. He is not supposed to do that. But I gave it to him because my son is in the car. And if he would have shot my son, then we would have been on some other shit right now. So can I please have my information back? I want to make sure that my license plate is in front of my car because I know it is.
You'll have your information
and
back
I
when we're
need
done.
you to hurry up because I'm on my way to take my son somewhere.
You'll have your information when we're done.
Make sure you're recording him too.
Okay.
And make sure your body cam is on. What's your name? Gordon 282. Goodman 282. Okay. This is what happened when you know. and you talk too much. They don't like for you to talk and speak up for yourself. So they call other officers for a child and a woman.
Now that you're calm and we have your ID, would you like to speak to our supervisor?
Who's your supervisor?
I'm asking if you'd like to speak to him.
Who's your? So I've been asked for your supervisor.
Okay, so you still want him to come here?
Yep.
Okay. Adam 23 to 3071.
Where's your headquarters?
Station.
Where's the station?
Would you mind responding?
924. Is that the station?
Where's your station? Where's your
That's
station?
901 East 14th Street.
9 what?
901 East 14th Street.
901 East 14th Street. Why is he here?
Because your behavior was erratic.
How is my behavior erratic?
Aggressive and confrontational.
Aggressive. See,
ma'am.
this is the words that they use to make you seem like you're irate when you know what you're talking about. So when you defend yourself, they start to use irate, erratic, threatening, vicious. I thought I saw something. That's what they start to do. They use these words so they could defend themselves for pulling you over for a false reason. Please know your laws. Read the Black Laws Dictionary, because they don't go by the same laws that they say that they put you under. Matter of fact, they don't even have the same jurisdiction that you have. They're private citizens, which means they can harass and pull you over and gun you down in the street and nothing will happen to them because they're private citizens. But if you go after their insurance, then you can dig into their pockets, because the insurance companies don't like that. When you go after insurance companies for police falsely pulling people over, they have to keep giving $1 million settlements. They keep murdering people for no reason. The insurance companies don't like that. So when you know your laws and you go after them in the right way, then you can know how to really get them where it hurts. So I got my son recording both phones just to make sure we can have all angles, just in case they say that their body cams wasn't on, because we have them saying that their body cams was on when they came to the car. We have him on camera putting blue gloves on because he thought that he was going to open my car door and pull me out and falsely check my car. That's why I had to tell him I do not give him the right to search my vehicle, which he had no right to search my vehicle, because there is no suspicion of a crime being committed, have been committed, or about to be committed. He just pulled me over. Right now he's committing kidnap. He's kidnapping me and my son right now because he has no reason why he pulled me over. How long it take? Y'all just recited the codes like that. Now it take him forever? What's going on? What's the deal?
I'm sorry?
What's the deal?
You're getting a ticket.
I got somewhere to go.
Okay.
I'm getting I need to verify that my
You'll
license
get where you
plate.
need to go.
I need to verify that my license plate is on the front, because that's what you said you pulled me over
Yes,
for,
that is
right?
why.
No front license plate, right?
Correct.
Okay.
You can verify that when we're done.
Why I gotta wait till you're done? That's the thing. That's what they use. They try to intimidate you again by that tactic. They want to show that they're in control, but he's not in control. Somebody else is controlling him, and he comes out here and acts like an asshole and a dickhead because in high school he used to get bullied and picked on and shit. So now he gonna show me. I'm gonna go pick on and harass other people. I'm a creep on the side of her until she passes us, and then I'm gonna get behind her and find a reason. But if you're on the side of me and then you get behind me, how could you tell that there's no front license plate? He didn't even walk around to the front of my car. We got both cameras on him. Don't look at my car, please. That's searching my vehicle. I don't give no consent for you to search my vehicle. That's crazy. The Fraternal Order of Police, that's who they're under. They're a Masonic order. That's how they operate. You see their badge? It's a, look at this, the badge. It's a star. That's the same thing that they do. That's the Masonic stuff. They're under our order. They're Masons. Some of them know it, some of them don't know it. Make sure you keep your camera on him too. You can see my hands. We don't have any weapons. But they're under the Masonic Fraternal Order of Police. They're Masons. They operate on a different level. So what we think they're policing, they're not here to protect and serve you. They're here to protect and serve property. That's why they'll protect a building from downtown getting destroyed quicker than they'll come to save your life if you was dying. They'll wait for you to kill each other, and then they'll call the police after it's done. Then they'll call an ambulance and a coroner. But before that, they don't protect and serve. They protect and serve property. But that's why you got to keep recording them, so you can show how they behave when they on duty. The intimidating manner that they possess. How they surround your car when you're sitting in the vehicle with your child. How they talk to you crazy and threaten you to take you to jail because you telling them you know your rights. So if anything else is on this ticket other than no front license plate, we know he with the shit. And best believe I'm finna file a complaint. And I might even sue them for harassment too. Got that itch. It's crazy. Also, they put you in a system, in a database too, where they constantly harass you.
Bill, it's not 5200.
Huh?
It's not 5200.
Right. Exactly. He's writing a false report. Yep. Look.
Here's the front plate, bro.
Put the camera on him. There's a front plate, bro. It's on the other side, bro. It's an old school, bro. It's an old school, bro. It's a 74, bro. Look. Ah!
Okay.
Look.
You're screaming in my ear.
Look. Do you got this?
Yes.
Are you recording this?
Yes.
Record this shit. Oh my God. Wow. I told you.
You are right.
I know I
That
was
is
right.
legitimately our mistake.
Oh my
I
God.
looked in the center of your car.
Wow.
You were right.
Didn't I tell you to check?
You did, and I looked right in the
Then
center.
why
Didn't
be an
look to the left.
asshole to me?
Because you were
Why
yelling
be
at
a-
us for no reason.
No, because you was
And look,
already
here's the
aggressive.
thing.
Because you already thought you had me.
No, I didn't.
I was trying to
let me
tell
do
you.
this, ma'am.
I was
didn't pull
trying to
over.
tell you.
I didn't pull you
You
over. My
looked me
partner-
dead in my eyes
Look.
when you was on the side of me. I hate to act like this.
No, look,
I got
I didn't pull
family
you
that's
over.
police. I got family
Yeah.
that's in the
Here's the-
department.
you were right.
That's in politics.
You were
And
right.
I'm saying
You were
this
wrong.
because this is a dangerous thing y'all doing, man.
I agree.
This is very dangerous.
agree.
I'm with my child.
Oh, we don't want to harm him or you.
I told you, just look.
Look, I looked in the
I told
center
you to
and I
look.
missed it. I
It's
missed
an
it.
old
Look,
school.
look at me. I legit missed it. I didn't pull you over, but when I walked to the front, I looked in the middle and it was gone. The reason why we're here like this is because when people start yelling at us like that, it makes us think that they're hiding something from us or they're going to try and hurt us. We don't want to hurt you.
Why
we
would
don't
you?
even want to mess
Why
with
would you even have that mentality,
Because
though?
we're cops and we have to.
You
People
can't
want to
have
hurt
that
us.
mentality
Look,
when you're
people are
dealing
trying
with
to
people.
hurt us.
Listen, we come from a community
this
of
is yours.
trauma. You
Oh, I get
cannot
it.
do that. You
Look,
cannot do
look,
that.
look at-
Especially if I'm asking you to check. I got my
And I
child,
did,
man.
and our camera's been on this whole time, and I looked in the middle, and I
How
just
you
missed
think
it.
I feel? How you think he feel?
I don't know how he feels or you
He's
feel.
traumatized right now.
What, I don't know his name, but I'm sorry that we didn't see the plate. I'm
Oh
sorry.
my God.
Look, hey, it was my mistake when I went and looked in the middle for not seeing it. I didn't pull you over, my partner did. He didn't see it. When I checked, I didn't see it, but because I looked in the middle. That is 100% my mistake. I own that because he pulled you over and I verified. So that's on me. You hear what I'm saying? We never once wanted to do any harm to you or anything like that. You understand? But when you're refusing to give us ID when we're asked, look, if I got pulled over and somebody's like, you don't have a front plate, and I'm like, no, I do. I'm still gonna give them what they want when they ask.
As an officer, I would have really went and checked the front for real, because if they really saying I got a plate, I would have went and checked it again just to avoid all of it. I thank you. Thank you.
Right. That's why
thank you for going and checking and really looking. Dang.
Can I ask you something?
What?
If the guy says he's wrong, can't we just call it wrong and he made a mistake?
But I'm saying, like, do you see what could have transpired though?
Lots of things could.
Like, come on, man.
Hey, I've been doing this job for 19 years. I know it can transpire. Right? I know it can transpire. I think I know what you're talking about. He just said he was wrong. So I think we should all go on our way. Right? Nobody got a ticket. How's it feel to be right?
No, I was right.
Look,
but it's okay.
So I'm out. I'm out.
Good.
Right? Because I got other things to do. You're upset. I think you know you're right. You won. But if that's how you win, man, I'd hate to see you lose. You know what I mean?
I feel you.
Guy just did just laid himself out. Right? I don't know how much more of a big deal we want to make of it. Right? Nobody got hurt.
Look, that's my brother.
So now we got brother. I mean, how much
longer
is this gonna go on?
Here's your insurance. Here's your registration. Look,
you're
again,
right.
100%. You were right. We were wrong. We were wrong. Okay. We weren't trying to do anything to you. He thought you didn't have a plate. I looked and I missed it. I 100% missed it. I was wrong. I'm sorry.
Man, I'm shaking right now.
Look, I know.
You know, I just buried my brother a month ago, man. Like, I am on edge.
No, I get it.
Like,
that's a hard thing to do, and I'm sorry.
What was your name, man?
Benita.
I just got here. The guy just told you sorry at least 10 times, man. I don't know how much sorry you can get. Do you? I'm not trying to make light of it, but the guy's sorry. Right? I'm ready to go.
Is there anything else you need from us, ma'am?
No, thank you.
What's that?
No, thank you.
Okay, are you able to drive?
Yeah, I'm good.
Have a good day, okay?
I'm gonna just talk to my brother real quick.
I get it. Have a good day. Sir, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, okay? Take care, ma'am.
Stay right here.
Well, my people, at least the policeman admits him wrong. You know, at least him admits him wrong. You see me, I say, yeah, look, you see me, Dancehall Skilla. I obey the rules and the laws of any country that I'm in or at. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah, so may I make it be very clear that I'm not the kind of person who will disrespect police or try to put down police or so forth, even though I know that there are good police officers and bad police officers out there worldwide, you see. However, when you're dealing with certain situations as a police officer, try and see if you can deal with it as cautious as possible, but at the same time, try and understand what the person is saying. So may I say, because I know the police job a dangerous job still in the viewers and subscribers. See, I not gonna act like say police job is a dangerous job, but some of the times you have people who will get anxious and traumatized by just being pulled over by the police. Just by being pulled over by the police and approached by the police, you have persons who will get nervous, shaky, and all these things. You see, because you have some people who just can't deal with confrontation, you know. You see? Yeah, I just say, but at least him admits him wrong, you see me I say. And it's like the lady I say, hey, I have a front license plate, you know. Check, but for some reason, the whole situation just keep escalating, you know. Well, it's a good thing at least one of those police officers saw the front license plate, you know, and make everything just calm down or so on. You see me I say, yeah, and a real. Anyways, my people, let me know what you think overall about the situation shown in that video that I just presented to you. Here's where I'm going to leave it. Big up and respect to each and everyone. And until next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Wanna big up on yourself. You see it? Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla. Hear me now? Hey yo, skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.